Jordan brand continues to prove that the Air Jordan 1 Low is here to stay, even after celebrating a major milestone last year. This time, the iconic silhouette arrives in a striking court purple, white, black, and university gold colorway that immediately stands out. Designed by Peter Moore, the classic low top gets a premium update with glossy patent leather panels across the upper, giving it a clean and elevated look compared to standard releases. The bold mix of purple and gold naturally brings to mind the legendary colors of the Los Angeles Lakers, one of the most influential franchises in basketball history. This connection makes the release even more exciting for both sneaker collectors and NBA fans. The shorter Air Jordan 1 Low profile adds everyday wearability while still honoring the legacy of the original design. Official images showcase sharp color blocking and premium materials. The Air Jordan 1 Low Court Purple is expected to release through Jordan brand channels by March 2026, making it a must-watch drop for sneaker enthusiasts.